Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we're at this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by the brand called Anker. And pretty much what this is the Anker Powerdrive 2, which is the car adapter you can use at your car to charge your devices and whatnot. First thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So it has a very easy access to kind of remove the product like this. And then inside they provide you a little user manual and also a happy or not happy card, which is also the warranty card as well. And that's everything that's inside here, if you guys can see. So let's take a look at the product first. So this is what the product looks like, if you guys can see. So they have the little logo right here, the Anker logo right here. This part where it will plug it into your car. Right here is the USB, as you can see. So they provide you two of these USB ports right here. Both of these USB can support up to 2.48 charge speed. It's not a quick charge 3.0, so that's definitely one thing to kind of remember. And then if you look right here, they do mention that it uses the IQ technology that they have specifically for Anker products, which is pretty awesome. And then right here, you guys can see the small little dot right here. That's a little indicator light to let you guys know when the product is working and charging and whatnot. So that's basically what the product looks like. Let's talk a little bit about the actual specs about the product and like how it's like designed and whatnot. So the material that they use for the actual product right here is actually scratch resistant. So if you guys try to scratch it or accidentally scratch it, you guys don't have to worry about it because it's supposed to be scratch resistant. And what they mention about the product itself is the inner layer of like what's inside the actual product itself. It actually uses like really good material where actually it will charge your product much faster than your typical chargers. It uses a premium gold plated coil. And this actually helps increase the efficiency of the product itself while reducing like the resistance and also the heat of the product from like overheating and whatnot. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out how well it works and when it actually works is to actually go test it out. So let's go do a quick test of the product first and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have it plugged in right here, as you can see. We're going to test it out with our iPhones to see when it actually works or whatnot. Let's plug in the first one right here. Alright, so that one works, the first one works. Let's try the second one. Alright. Alright, so as you can see that both of them works. There's an indicator right here to show you guys that it's actually charging as well. So that's pretty cool. Overall product itself is supposed to charge pretty fast as well, but we'll see. The reason why I'm using this right now is because we're not allowed to really go out and whatnot. So I have this plugged in right here as like another way to show you guys since we're stuck at home. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that I saw a quick test of the product itself, you guys can see that actually does work. Really easy to use, super small and compact. If you guys look at how small it is, you guys save a lot of space with this, so there's nothing like sticking out or wasting a lot of space and whatnot. The charge speed is quite fast. Obviously, like I mentioned, it's not as fast as like the quick charge 3.0, but 2.48 is still pretty fast if you guys think about it. That's still like faster than your regular ones that can charge at a 1.8 speed or 2.0 speed or 2.18 speed. But after testing so many of these products that are similar to this, like the car charger and whatnot, I think this one has to be one of the coolest ones that I've tested so far because of how small and compact it is. You guys definitely save a lot of space. So now that we did the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would have to say that this is worth it if you guys have a car or if you guys have a friend's car that you guys can use this at. So that way you guys can charge two products at the same time. So maybe you guys can charge your own phone and then your friend can charge their phone. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have